Preparation phase. The preferred arm bends in front of body and preferred hand holds ball under chest, aligning the ball with the target. On the preferred hand, the thumb will go in the bottom hole and pointer and index finger will be placed in the two holes above the thumb. The non-preferred arm will also bend and help support the ball from the side of the bowling ball. Stand shoulder width apart and align feet with the target or the pins. Head and eyes should be focused on target and trunk should be upright with torso facing and aligning with the pins. Execution phase. Step with non-preferred leg first, followed by the preferred, and then the non-preferred will take the large final step into the lunge position, shifting your weight forward. Eyes and head are forward, looking at the target and tracking the movement of the ball. Your preferred hand will maintain a grip in the holes of the ball as you move the ball out in front of you with your palms facing upward. Move the ball down close to the ground and back with the preferred arm. Your non-preferred arm will move out to the side to balance the body, and your preferred arm will swing forward and the ball will be released. Your trunk will lean forward and slightly flex with the lunge step. The follow-through phase. With your preferred hand, reach fingertips all the way to your preferred shoulder while bending your wrist palm up. Preferred arm and elbow should also move forward and flex towards your preferred shoulder. Your weight is shifted onto your non-preferred leg and eyes are still tracking the ball and looking at the pins. Trunk is flexed and low to the ground and you should end in a forward lean.